my 7. I'm ripping in my 7. My 7. My 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7. My 7. My 7. I'm riding in my 7.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy KILLEEN, man. You tuned in for another one. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 10K, and the only way to get there for you to help us. So make sure you do your part and click the bell. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell. Watch all the videos so you never miss the next one. You know, turn notifications on for everything. Post, videos, the whole shebang. So we got big things planned for this 10K giveaway. We got LS swap plates. We got LS swap plates from our sponsor, LXX Innovations. You know what I'm saying? Got those parts on the cutty. Also from what's the word I'm looking for? Also from me, LS Chevy Rider 254. So LS Chevy Rider 254 and LXX Innovation bringing y'all this giveaway. We got Mr. Gasket dip stick tube for the 350. Y'all seen that? What else? LS swap plates. We got some odometer gauges, and oh yeah, the tarp unveiling. This tarp has been sitting over here in the cut for the longest. I am ready to show y'all what's behind here, as well as some other stuff. But I can't really do that and move forward if we need to hit these goals, need to hit these milestones. So make sure that you, like I said, watch the videos, subscribe to the channel. If you see something that you like, don't be subscribing to subscribe. We want the real ones over here. You know what I'm saying? We don't want just somebody who's gonna subscribe and never watch. We want people that's gonna subscribe and watch videos. If it's helpful to you, if it's not helpful to you, if it's just entertainment, you know what I'm saying, then do it like that. So today, what we're gonna be doing is well, actually, this is just gonna be part of the beginning of a series. The beginning of the series for, as I promised y'all last year, or as I stated last year, I ain't really promise. Call it what you want to. As I said last year, we was gonna do the turbo for 2021. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start putting this stuff together. Like I said, the closer we get to 10,000 and the more videos or the more views that we have, then that's what's gonna make it, what's the word? That's what's gonna make it easier, because the more views we have on these videos, we'll generate more income, which will have more, what's the word? Oh, revenue attached to them. Moolah, young moolah attached to it. So, enough further ado, let me show you what we got. All right, so I apologize for the box like this. This is kind of how it arrived. Only thing different is this was on the inside. I guess you're taking it from all damnation. If you know what that box means, if you peeped it right there, then you already know what this is. Let's flip it over. Tap, 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 tap. It's turbo.
Can I get a more power, baby? A more power, baby! Testify! A more power, baby! No low power, baby! Only more power, baby!
That's right, LS Chevy Rider 254 is turbo wing. That thing. T4 flange. This is from Max Speeding Rods. Got it off of eBay. You know, the infamous or very famous using the way hunting some dog turbo. So this is step one. Shout out to everybody that's been watching the channel, because this was possible because of you guys. Like I said, the more views we get on these videos, the more stuff we can be able to do, the more quickly that they can go. This year, 2021, we doing quality over quantity. You know what I'm saying? Quality over quantity, and yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Quality over quantity. Won't be as many videos, but they will be quality videos. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned for what is about to come. You know what I'm saying? Still in plastic. I ain't even gonna pull it out yet because, like, I'll give you a peek at it. You know that's what they want to see. You know that's what they want to see, baby. Alright, so moment of truth. We'll just take this off. We'll give you a little peek. A little peeky peek. Yes, sir. A little peeky peek. Oh, that's so cool looking. Even on camera. Or however that shit sound when it's spinning or whatever. Yeah, it's lit. So the next part we're gonna need to order is the manifolds. I've been looking at here some on eBay. These are the single turbo T4 top mount LSX LS2 swap turbo headers and crossover with 44mm wastegate. Shout out to my boy Swaps. Shout out to my boy Steve Davis. I found this set, you know, when we was looking, but my boy Swaps confirmed it for me that it was somebody else that had used this and it had worked. So shout out to him. Also shout out to, who else was that? Oh, Honey Badger OBS is a channel that uses turbo set. So for me, seeing it on his application and seeing where he ordered it from is basically, it was basically a no-brainer. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and get this one ordered today, which is, as you can see, the 2nd of January. We're gonna go ahead and get this ordered, and that way we'll have it. I don't want to have to be waiting on this. I know that eventually we still gonna have to take care of some other things, you know, as far as like getting not necessarily getting the motor. There's still other stuff that we'll have to do, but getting this, getting the exhaust manifolds, I mean, that's easily, because that is that's like $300 plus the shipping plus $150, $160 for the turbo. So that easily puts us for something almost $500 in. So it will solidify my commitment to you guys on this turbo build, and that way I don't back out. So I thought about it. I was like, do I really need a turbo? I don't even need a turbo. But then I thought about Blanco, and I was like, yeah, it might not even go in a G-body, but I need a turbo on something. I need something to do what Blanco did. So really excited for that. So yeah, like I said, quality over quantity, meaningful updates, etc., and that's what we doing this year. So I guess I'll Cut y'all back on. Or next video, next update will be when I don't know, maybe I'll just wait. Maybe I'll order this stuff and then see when it comes in and then put an update. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cut you back on. Alright y'all, so I'm sitting here. As you can see the date. It's the 8th of January. The turbo manifold said it's not supposed to be here until the 11th or the 13th. Let's see. View order details. Standard shipping. Show additional actions. Let's see. Black Panther Motorsports. Says they are based out of, well, it says a member since April 4th. I'm trying to find out where this shit is coming from, man. Ain't no tracking or nothing on this shit. Alright, let's go click on the listing. So here it says ship to worldwide, $39 shipping. Item location is Raleigh, North Carolina, right? If I ordered it today, it'd be January 19th through the 22nd. I ordered mine, as y'all saw, on the 2nd of January. So it's about 6 days later. And it says I should have it from anywhere between the 11th and the 13th. So anytime next week. However, let me show you something. We actually got a package. Yup, check it out, check it out. See, this is where it came from.
We sent you the address, so Hudson Roscoe gas.
From China. So let's say it came from China, not North Carolina. And it came a whole lot quicker. I don't understand it, but it is what it is. So let's open it up. Alright, so got a box open. I had to do it so I had to struggle with it on camera. This says XS Power. Proven Performance Products. SS Auto Chrome, so got stickers. Yay! XSPower.co.uk. So yeah, it's kind of different than what we signed up for, but as far as the naming and all of that, but I figured it was gonna be different. Here's what it is. See what we got here. We got that driver's side, passenger, driver's side. As you can see, it's not real true DB. Got the in there. From the picture, I thought they was V-bands, but I digress. And you got this driver's side, or passenger side. Passenger side with your T-flow flames. Wastegate. That's there. And then we got this, I guess, supposed crossover pipe. I got a flange, some gaskets. Y'all know these gaskets is trash, but you know, we'll hold on to them. And I guess this is supposed to be.
Also heard you did a little bit of time up with CSP. Activated the salt.
Let's see. Just lay it out right quick.
Hey, you go to Our Lady of Courage, right? Is that where you met Eve? What she got to do with this? Because that's where we found her at your church.
Alright, so then it's supposed to cross over here.
We're ready to be nice. It doesn't phase you. You don't have to you just end up back in the rear.
I was pretty much just going off the strength of OBS Badger. That's supposed to work, so we shall see. We shall see. Like I said, we don't even know what we're gonna turbo yet. However, we do know it's gonna happen on something. Only modification that I'm aware of is that this may be too tall to clear the hood of a car. So I think OBS was saying cut out like 3 inches. I have to kind of bring that down some, but we'll see. We may get something that don't need it. So stay tuned, man. I guess we gotta start prepping the motor now. I'm getting ready to prep the motor. I don't really know because put it down back off of here like it was. But yeah, that's another part of the puzzle. Like I said, I'm just getting the pieces. We're just getting the pieces together, so when it's time to bust a move, we can bust a move. So, like I said, y'all stay tuned. I told y'all I'm vacationing, but I ain't vacationing. So, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Straight like that. Gone.